Hey besties, and welcome back. It's your girl Marquita with Marquita LV Luxury. On today, I am going to speak on some more new releases, and just one more time, I am going to speak on the Bloom pouch handbag that is launching July the 12th. But before we get started, make sure you view my past videos, like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend how much fun we have over here. Don't forget to visit your girl on Instagram at Marquita LV Luxury. Now that we have that out the way, you guys know exactly what to do. Go grab some wine or some tea and a light snack. Hurry back so we can get started.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
Okay besties, I want to first speak on some of the new releases that are coming out, and this collection here caught my eye because for some reason I am just falling in love with silver hardware. This is the beautiful Unprint Wash Blue collection. I have a few pieces, a few handbags, and a few SLGs I want to show you guys that kind of stood out to me. The first one being this Carryall PM. No, I am not a fan of the Carryall at all in the canvas. I cannot get with the tie at the front, okay? I tried it. I had the handbag for 72 hours and I had the carriers come and pick it up. I just couldn't get with the Carryall PM in the canvas, okay? But when we are speaking of the unprint leather with the Carryalls, guys, this is very beautiful. The bag tag at the front with the zipper, and this blue is amazing. I love it, and I'm so glad that they went with silver hardware. It also comes with a pochette. You guys know that if you have a Carryall, I'm loving this entire look, and I'm loving how LV is rolling out these handbags with the adjustable straps with using the buckle, and I'm just loving it, guys. It's a change. I'm seeing it rolling out on a couple of bags and the lookbooks you guys will be seeing here shortly. But I'm loving that. I'm here for it, okay? So let me know how you feel about this entire color, this entire line, especially with it being unprint leather. I'm loving it myself. The price for this is $3,050. Let's not complain about the price. This is a PM size. But just like quiet luxury, LV just had a quiet price increase, okay? It goes hand in hand together. So let me know how you feel about it. And I have this beautiful on-the-go tote. You guys know I've been having this in my collection, what, 4 years now? And to me, it's the same blue. It's the same blue. I'm loving it. No, I don't use it, guys. I don't. But I'm keeping her in my collection. I can see this with all white. I can see this with denim. We are no longer locking handbags in a season. We are reaching for any handbag in our collection and we are getting it out of our closets, okay? That is what we are doing for 2024 moving forward. So it just reminds me of my on-the-go tote. I love this blue color, but you guys see this comes with gold hardware versus this unprint wash blue comes with silver hardware. Absolutely amazing. I just think it's beautiful. I really do. The price, but we can't complain. Also, I am going to speak on this as well. I have one in my collection. I sold the unprint leather, but I still have the monogram canvas in my collection. This is the multi-pochette. Is this a thing now? Is the multi-pochette still popular? Are you guys still searching the websites? Are you guys still purchasing multi-pochettes? I know, like, what, 2-3 years ago, I mean, you saw it everywhere. I mean, everyone wanted a multi-pochette, especially because of the guitar strap. A lot of us, when it first came out, I mean, that was honestly a lot of people's first bag, especially as a crossbody. But I love having mine in my collection because I can take it apart. It's basically like buying 2 handbags for the price of 1. So we do have the multi-pochette coming out in this beautiful on-print wash blue color. And guys, I'm going to keep saying it. The silver hardware is amazing on this handbag. Let me get the price for you. This is just, it's beautiful, okay? And look at the silver hardware, and also the chain strap. You guys know I love when they mix the leather with the chain strap. Beautiful, beautiful. So if you do have a handbag, I mean, silver hardware, I'm not sure if you have a handbag this color in your collection, but you most definitely can play with these straps, guys. Be creative with your handbags. You can also take these handbags apart. You can make these into small clutches. You can make these into small tote handle handbags, over the shoulder, date night, evening handbags. I do it all the time with my multi-pochette. So let me know how you feel about it. I'm here for it. I think it's cute and I think it's different, this whole entire line. Now let's speak on the SLGs. This is the beautiful Rosalie wallet. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't tell you the price, okay, of the multi-pochette. That's important. It's $2,840, okay? This is for the multi-pochette. Now moving on to the Rosalie wallet. This is $490, guys. I am a fan of the Rosalie wallet. I love the Rosalie wallet. I love smaller card holders, and it holds plenty of cards to me. It holds plenty of cards. I love these zipper compartment. I'm just a fan of card holders. I love small SLGs, guys. That's just me. So if you're interested in this line, I think the Rosalie wallet goes perfect with the multi-pochette. But if you are looking for something larger, a larger card holder, we do have the Zippy wallet. I've had plenty of Zippy wallets in the last 5 years, and I sold all of them. I'm not a huge fan of the Zippy wallet, even though I have the vertical Zippy wallet, but I use it as a crossbody. And the only reason I purchased that is because it holds my phone at the front, and I can honestly carry up to 16 cards in it, and I can wear it as a crossbody. I showed you guys a video on that. That's the vertical Zippy wallet. But as far as this type of Zippy wallet, I'm not a fan of. I sold, but the silver hardware is beautiful, and you guys see how many cards it actually holds. So this would be perfect for the carry-all PM if you're looking for a larger wallet, okay? Now that we spoke on that, guys, it's more handbags coming out in this line, but that's what stood out to me. But I want to speak on this, guys. This is absolutely beautiful. But of course, guys, it's a trunk. You know it's going to cost thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars, okay? This is the Speedy 20 Monogram trunk. And when I tell you, my heart stopped. My heart stopped, guys, okay? Before I go into details on this handbag, okay, let's get the exact name. It is the LV Speedy Trunk 20 Monogram. The price, $12,400 before tax. You saw that hair flip? Before tax. Again, $12,400. Okay? But guys, it's absolutely beautiful. You guys know we are Speedy 20 fans over here. And I'm speaking of me and some of my besties as well. Of course, it comes with vachetta. I am loving every detail on this handbag. I most definitely, the first thing that I would do, I would take off the strap. Just let me carry it as a tote. I'll take off the strap and I'll replace that strap with one of my Monogram canvas straps that I have here in my collection. They could have gave us, for $12,000, they could have gave us a better strap than this, okay? They could have gave us a better strap. They could have went with a darker trim leather that's on the side. I mean, they could have most definitely did more for that $12,000 price, but I'm loving it. Of course, the trunk handbags come with the S-lock closure at the front. And guys, I hate that it's vachetta. It could have been treated vachetta. I hate that it's vachetta so close to the S-lock the little tab that's right on the front. You just have to watch out, guys. Spray with Apple Guard. Spray with Apple Guard. The inside interior, I am loving it. I am absolutely loving everything about this handbag but the vachetta, guys. Very beautiful. The gold studs, you guys know the more gold hardware, the higher the handbag is going to be, especially with it being a trunk as well. This is beautiful. I'm even looking at the black detail stitching on the side. This is perfection. This is perfection minus this not being treated vachetta, okay? This is so beautiful. And look at the size. I'm glad we finally have a picture with the model holding it, because this is exactly how I would carry this handbag, as a tote, okay? I would carry it as a tote. And then here it is, guys. The detachable and adjustable strap. You guys see how long this is, and I think it's even longer, and I'm pretty sure this model is tall. So for my tall divas, if you are interested, I can see this strap working for you guys. But me, my opinion, I would change that strap, because if you carrying around a $12,000 bag, not that strap. It's not going to work, okay? So again, this is a size 20. This is $12,400, guys. Okay. So this here, this is the larger trunk, and I'm guessing this is a size 25, okay? So this is the LV Speedy Trunk Monogram. This is $15,000. $15,200 before tax. This is just a larger size, guys. The exact same handbag, but it does come, as you guys can see inside, with a small pochette, okay? You can see the model holding it. Yeah, I'm thinking it's a size 25. A size 30 most definitely will be bigger. So guys, you have two choices: the Speedy 20 or the Speedy 25. You see the price difference? One is $12,400 and this one is $15,200. It just depends on the size that you want. And with her holding it as a tote, like I said, that's the exact same way that I love carrying my Speedies. So guys, let me know how you feel. And I know how you feel. I know you are like, Marquita, you are crazy to be talking to us about these $12,000, $15,000 handbags. But hey guys, that's the price of some of the luxury pieces that we are paying for now. That's just it. There's no changing. But the Speedy 20, I am here for it. It only reminds me of the reverse monogram Speedy Trunk that's coming out as well. We'll talk about that later, okay? Okay, guys, let's get into this Bloom handbag. So, I saw a video, and I am only going to say this. Okay, bestie, so watch closely as I kind of break down this handbag. Here is the video. This is the LV Bloom pouch, guys, that is launching July the 12th. First thing I want to mention, and I'm not happy with, is the pink leather strap that comes with this handbag. I'm not happy with that at all. Guys, they need to start giving us more monogram canvas straps with these handbags, especially with the prices that we are paying. And I'm also going to say this. It's not a small handbag. I've spoke with a few people. I spoke with a few CAs, guys. It's not a small handbag. Even though it has the word pouch on there, it's not giving small, okay? The opening is going to be perfect where you can get items in and take items out. I am still going to say they should have added a double zipper that should have, like, you know, it met in the middle and a double zipper. We needed that still. So the extended zipper, it wasn't needed, because from what I'm hearing from different CAs, guys, the access getting in and out is going to be very, very easy. Yes, it's the rose ballerine pink that is added to these handbags. The gold chain strap just took the price up on this handbag. That's why it's over the $2,000 mark. It's giving young teenager, 21, 25 age range. I see exactly what he was saying with my lifestyle. It's a cute handbag. Remember what we spoke about, and remember what I tell you guys about. It's a cute handbag. Maybe even if I go into the boutique, I try it on, I'm going to say it's a cute handbag. Because honestly, if we go in and try on any luxury handbag, guys, 9 times out of 10 we are going to say it's cute because it's a luxury handbag. And I'm just being honest. Some of you guys, you're just not going to tell the truth. But if someone gifts you a handbag, even the handbag with the animals on there, if someone gifts that handbag to you, you are going to take it. So I am going to say, yes, this is cute. He was right. If you do purchase, guys, what I would do is take that leather strap off, because honestly, it's giving cheap. And I didn't want to say that. I didn't want to go that far, but that leather strap, that pink leather strap is giving cheap. So go in, purchase your handbags. If you pre-order, if you have a Monogram canvas strap, guys, send it to me via DM. I'm telling you, it's going to change how this handbag looks. Even if you take that leather strap off and just use a chain strap. But if you use a chain strap, for some reason, I think it is going to fold. I don't know why. I'm looking at it. I think if you carry this as a tote using the chain strap, I think it is going to turn into a hobo bag. It's going to fold. And looking at this picture, it already seems like the alignment with the zipper is going to give some issues. So make sure you check the quality of this handbag. But yes, it for me is not giving grown successful woman. It's not giving that, okay? I hate to say that my coins are safe. I hate to say that. Again, things do change when you see them in person, but I do see what you guys are saying, and I do see what my husband was saying, guys. It is giving it's giving something else. It's not giving what I needed to give. Meaning, when I walk into the bank, no, I will not have this with me. Even at my kids' sporting event. So I wanted to show you guys this video. I am so glad I actually got to see it. Okay, but I am still curious. If you guys have pre-ordered, if you guys are going to purchase, you guys know the launch date is July the 12th. You guys know I don't believe in pre-ordering anything. I don't want to give LV my money without having my items in my hand. I don't want to pay for something that I don't physically have yet or can physically touch, because the quality is just not there. If the handbag is sold out, 9 times out of 10, it'll be back in stock. People are not just checking for LV handbags like that, guys. I'm telling you now. They are not going to be sold out. So pre-orders for me is a no-no. I want to check that bag inside out before letting them have my money. And I'm sorry it's like that, but it is. So you guys, let me know how you feel about these new releases, especially those trunk handbags. Sometimes I'm just like, you know what? Get rid of the handbags I'm not using and just go and purchase. Go and purchase. I know I will use those handbags, because these other handbags that they have been releasing, I'm just not feeling it. My heart is not there. I'm not checking the website for these handbags. I'm not reaching out to my CAs. What they are sending me via text message, I'm not like, wow, oh my God, at all. And guys, some reverse monogram handbags are coming out. And you guys know I love reverse monogram handbags, but they're small crossbodies. Nothing is making me say, oh my God, at all in these lookbooks. I'm telling you now, they're cute. I am just giving you guys the new releases to keep you guys informed. So guys, let me know how you feel about these handbags I have shown you. And yes, I am going to be rolling out some more new releases to show you guys. As always, stay safe, stay blessed. Until next video, bye-bye.